how you come in contact with Nano Health.
Okay, I stay with my family. I've got wife working in SBI as a branch manager, and I've got two kids. One is 10-year-old and four-year-old. I work in a corporate company. So what happened was like because my wife is in essential services, she was working all throughout the lockdown, and she was at high risk. So one fine day, what happened was like my daughter, 10-year-old, was complaining about abdominal pain, and then she had a bit of temperature, 100.7, and we consulted a local doctor, general physician around our place. So he gave some antibiotics, and she was up and running next day. That was a fourth Saturday. I clearly remember 28th or 29th of June. 28th of June, yeah. So, and on 29th June, my wife complained about having a sore throat and a body pain. And that was kind of alarming because of the pandemic going around, and me, the smartphone, what I use, the Twitter, studying about, reading about the pandemic, what is happening, what are the symptoms and things like that. Being responsible, socially responsible, and corporately responsible, I never wanted to pass on this contagious disease to people around me and people whom I love and I work with. So I told my wife that it's to be on a safer side, let's go for a test. And on 30th, she went for a test, and a referral worked out, Map My Gioni, where my wife went and got herself tested. And we were waiting for the result. During that time, I locked myself down, and being a parent to a 4-year-old was difficult, and 10-year-old again difficult. Explain them what can be the circumstances if we move out and things like that. They agreed to it, especially to the 10-year-old, and I was like taken back, like 1 day of fever, 1 day of cough, and not even cough, throat pain and body pain for my wife, and positive. I was like, it was crazy, and a lot of things going through my mind, and I was the only thing what was killing me was what to do next. So the general physician where we were talking, we sent the report, and he blocked us. Looking at the report, he blocked us, and I was like, where do I go? What can be done? And yeah, that's how I got to know about Nano Health. Quite a long story, but yes, this is how I got to know about Nano Health. Yeah.
So, and what has been the experience after that? Like your other family members also?
So, as I told you, one thing with the experience you're talking about, the experience was like, what I understood from initial talk was like, because it's a virtual thing, and get into hospital, and that was something on us. So that I knew that that they will take us to that point where we was. Yeah.
Right.
So that was the experience.
Do you think they responded on time? I think the doctor also.
Yeah, they did, and they also explained it to me, why is it needed and what will it help with. So and they also provided with I don't know what they call. They put it on in the nose, the pipes. For all 6 of us, if in case we may need during that time, I met your mom. So that is something, as I was telling you, whether it is we are recovering, whether we are getting critical or we are getting worse, that was the which was not possible through Nano Health because of the limited infrastructure, because it's just that the virtual thing. It will just take you to a point where you need to decide what to do next, the next level of treatment. So yeah, it was, and then she was treated over there and got discharged, and again was back with Nano Health. Yeah.
So